Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dan with Senior Ministry E-Bike Nation. We're headed downtown today, a little different than what we normally do. And we're riding the Zota Zephyr today. I finally got some good news. I think I'm supposed to get my side rusher back on Friday. It's been in the bike shop for about 2.5 weeks now, which they told me that taking it in there, that was going to take a few days. So I'm getting a bracket on my derailleur fixed. I believe that's what's causing the clicking sound. So they're working on that, and I told them to go ahead and give it a complete tune-up. The bike almost has 1,600 miles on it now, so it's time to do that. And the chain is a little stretched on it, but I told him if he thinks to go ahead and change the chain on that, go ahead and do that. So we'll be riding that next week finally. A little chilly out here today. It's probably mid-50s. Little breeze coming out of the southwest today. We had a run of 70s all week last week, and it was just gorgeous. So now we're back to really seasonable weather for Southwest Ohio for this part in April. Today's April 18th. It would have been my dad's 93rd birthday. He passed away back in 2019, right about COVID, when it started ramping up. A sister will be 70 tomorrow, and I have 2 other sisters that are older than I am, so we'll all be out of our 60s finally. Not that I really want to, but Father Time waits on nobody. I believe they're going to shut the bike trail down tomorrow, I believe it is, going up to the Blessing Box and doing my normal ride. They're getting ready to shut that down for 9 months. Doing some bridge work over the bikeway and changing some things up. Must have all this lunchtime traffic right now. It's going to be sunny all day today, just a little chilly. It'll definitely be a little chilly riding downtown because I'll be riding along that river, and the wind's coming, going to be right in my face when I head towards downtown. We're in pedal assist 5 right now, which we're doing about 18 miles an hour. As you noticed on my previous videos, I had the aerial rider out. Had not had that out for like 3 weeks to a month. So I got 30 miles in on that. I think I did that Friday or Saturday of last week. This is the first day I've been able to get out this week. Let me know what kind of week you guys have had. Have you been out riding at all? And again, let me know down in the comments section if you guys like these split videos or picture-in-picture videos that I'm doing. I'm using my helmet cam for the video itself, and I'm using my handlebar cam, which is showing me on the bike, as the background on the video. So let me know what you guys think about that. Things are really greening up now. Beautiful colors in these trees. On your left. Guy had his ears plugged in, and I don't even think he even heard me. I see a guy's got his garden tilled up over there, getting ready to plant. Got a bunch of more flowers seeded today and have them on heat mats. So I'm staggering my flowers this year. I've got some snapdragons and some marigolds and a couple other varieties that I planted. And it'll take them about almost 8 weeks inside before they'll be ready to go out. So the middle of June they'll be going out. But I staggered my flowers this year so I could have beauty all year long. And I put a lot of my flowers in the front because that's my southern exposure. So that's where I'm going to get the best growth, is in the front of my home. And I've got the east side, I can put a few flowers as well. But let me know how many people grow flowers and vegetables by seeds. I've done everything in seed this year. I'm not going to buy a plant of any kind. I've got probably 50 to 55 tomato plants, and I probably got about 40 pepper plants, different varieties, and the same with the tomatoes. I planted some Cherokee purples and some just different kinds, cherry tomatoes, beefsteak. So they're probably 12 inches already in the solo cups in the garage, and I have them under grow lights. So they're getting ready to bust out them cups. I hope they can make it another couple weeks before I can get them in the ground and get them into my hydroponics. So we'll see what the weather brings. This time in Ohio in April, you can get anything. My wife and I went yesterday to the store, and we had snow flurries. On your left. See if they shut the trail down yet, but I think we're getting ready to go straight here anyway. But see if they shut the trail down yet. Nope, still got the 419, which is tomorrow, so we might be making a few trips downtown, and I got to figure out where that is closed at so I can jump on another section of the trail. It's about 8.5 miles downtown from where I live. So it's only about 1.5 miles different than going the other way and up to the bridge. But this is a good little ride. It's mostly flat the entire way. But again, it gives you guys some different scenery. Wearing shorts back here. A little chilly out there for me to wear shorts today. I got three sweatshirts on myself today, and pretty comfortable. And the one I'm wearing on the outside is the sweatshirt that my daughter-in-law and my son made for me for Christmas. It's got the bike emblem on it. I really like that. But we may be showing some different views with the handlebar camera. I may turn it around and get something I want you to see. So we'll be changing that up just a little bit on my ride today. I got my skull cap on today. It just goes under my helmet but covers my ears, which keeps my ears pretty warm. Guy up here is riding a trike, I believe. That's just a regular trike. No motor on it or anything. Good way to haul things. I see gas is headed back up again. $3.79 a gallon here right now. Gorgeous last week. Like I said, we was in the 70s all week. Kind of spoils you and you're thinking winter's over. Well, we went from 72 degrees one day to later that afternoon it was in the 40s, and it did not get out of the 40s all the next day. So if you live in Southwest Ohio, this is what you expect on this time of year. Weather can change very quickly. I got my rear view camera on today because I'll be riding a little bit around downtown today. So it's going to be nice to have that to see what's coming up behind me. Assist 5 seems to be a very comfortable cadence to ride at, actually. That's nice. Put two people waiting on me, and I really don't have the right of way here. Very nice for them to wait on me. How you doing? There's them hills over there that Caleb went up on both of these bikes, the Cyrusher Komoda and my Zota Zephyr. I told him we would not be doing that anymore. Too easily to damage a bike. And I'm not saying they're not built for it. That motorhome been burnt for quite a while. But I really want to take care of these bikes. So we won't be doing no more hill jumping on it. Again, we'll be doing different trails this year. I'll put a bike on bike rack on my truck and we'll go somewhere different like we did 2 or 3 weeks ago. We'll probably be stopping the video up here before we head on downtown so I can separate the videos. This is of course video 1 of the series I'm making today. Once we get up to this next little intersection, I'll go ahead and stop the cameras and we'll start them back up again. So as soon as we get up to this stop sign up here, we'll go ahead and check out and we'll check back in again. Okay. We're going to stop the camera right here and we'll pick it back up. But everybody share and like the video. Hit that subscribe button. If you got any comments, put them down in the comment section for me. And we will see you guys on the next video.